Good morning, students. This is 10th standard biology video class, video 8. In this video, we are going to continue the lesson transportation in plants and circulation in animals. Dear students, in the previous video class, we have seen structure of human heart, different valves present in the heart such as right atrioventricular valve or tricuspid valve, left atrioventricular valve or bicuspid or mitral valve, semilunar valves which is present at the base of the pulmonary artery and aortic semilunar valves, different types of blood circulation, that is systemic circulation, pulmonary circulation, coronary circulation supplies blood to the cardiac muscles. Then double circulation. Some of the animals, the blood circulate 2 times through the hearts in one complete cycle. That is known as double circulation. The oxygenated blood and deoxygenated blood do not mix together. However, in some animals, the oxygenated blood and deoxygenated blood are mixed together and run through as a single to the heart only once. That is known as single circulation. Example, fish, amphibians and certain reptiles. After this only we have seen in the previous video class. In this video, we are going to see the heartbeat and initiation and conduction of heartbeat. Dear students, heart which consists of a special type of muscle is known as cardiac muscle. This cardiac muscle which are having 2 action, one is contraction, another one is the relaxation. The contraction phase of the cardiac muscle is said to be systole and the relaxation of the cardiac muscle is known as diastole. So these 2 processes which are taken place in the atrium and ventricles of the heart constitute heartbeat. What is heartbeat? The one complete contraction, that is systole, relaxation, that is diastole, of the atrium and the ventricle of the heart constitute the heartbeat. The heart normally beats 72 to 75 times per minute is the important. One more question. What is heartbeat is also important. 2 more question. 1. Complete contraction, that is systole, and relaxation, diastole, of the atrium and ventricles of the heart is known as heartbeat. The heart normally beats 72 to 75 times per minute. See the do you know paragraph? Neurogenic and myogenic heartbeat. Neurogenic heartbeat, neuro which means nerve. Neurogenic heartbeat is initiated by a nerve impulse caused from a nerve ganglion situated near the heart. Example, annelids and most of the arthropods. These 2 are the invertebrata animals. In this invertebrata animals, the neurogenic heartbeat only initiated by a nerve caused from a nerve ganglion situated near the heart region. We are coming to the higher animals. Myogenic heartbeat is situated by a specialized group of modified heart muscles or cardiac muscles. Example, mollusca and vertebrate animals. These 2 are the 2 types of heartbeats shown in the vertebrate and invertebrate animals. In invertebrate animals, some of the group of animals only showing neurogenic heartbeat, example annelids and arthropods. Then mollusca and vertebrate animals are showing the myogenic heartbeat. Next, we are going to see initiation and conduction of heartbeat. That means how the heartbeat is produced and how it is conducted to the tissue region. Human heart is the myogenic nature. Now only we have seen. That means our heart, which is made up of special type of muscle, is known as heart muscle or cardiac muscle. With the help of the muscle only, the heart is functioning, so that our human heart is myogenic in nature. Then the contraction means what is that one? Systole is initiated by the specialized heart muscle. The sinoatrial node, SA node, situated in the wall of the right atrium near the opening of the superior vena cava. So in the right atrium of the heart, which contains a small node, is known as sinoatrial node, located near the opening of the superior vena cava. This SA node, in short form, sinoatrial node or SA node, broader at the top and tapering the below. This SA node made up of with thin fibers. So human heart is myogenic in nature. Contraction of cardiac muscles only initiated the heartbeat. The node is named as sinoatrial node, located in the right atrium near the opening of superior vena cava. They are broad at the top and tapering at the lower region or bottom. It made up of fine fibers, thin fibers. Dear students, the sinoatrial node acts as a pacemaker of the heart because this SA node only initiating the impulse which stimulate the heart muscles to contract. So, contraction of heart muscles only initiating the heartbeat. Only a previous paragraph we have seen that contraction of heart muscles initiate the heartbeat. Here, the SA node, which is located at the near the opening of the superior vena cava in the right atrium. The impulse is created by a heart muscle with the help of sinoatrial node, spreads the wave of contraction over the left and right atrial walls, both the walls, left and right atrium walls, pushing the blood into the ventricles through the atrioventricular walls. The wave of the contraction of SA node, that is sinoauricular node, reaches the atrioventricular node, which is stimulate the impulse of contraction spreading to the ventricular muscles via atrioventricular bundle and the Purkinje fibers. So, SA node, which are creating the impulse with the help of heart muscle. This created impulse spread over the right and left atrial in the form of wave, pushing the blood into ventricles through atrioventricular walls. The wave of the contraction from the SA node reaches the AV node, atrioventricular node, which is stimulated to emit the impulse of contraction spreading to the ventricular muscle through atrioventricular bundle and the Purkinje fibers. Dear students, see the Duino paragraph. Atrioventricular bundle was discovered by a scientist named His in the year 1893. So, these bundles are named as bundle of His. 2 mark question. What is bundle of His? That is the atrioventricular bundle was discovered by the scientist. Name is His in the year 1893. So, these bundles are named as bundle of His. So, after this we have seen initiation and conduction of heartbeat. Next we are going to see the pulse. When the heart beats, the blood forced into the arteries. The expansion of the arteries every time the blood is forced into it is called a pulse. So the expansion of artery every time the blood is forced into it. Expansion of artery. The expand the blood is enter into the artery by forcibly. It is called a pulse. It can be felt by a placing the fingertip on the artery near the wrist region. Normal pulse rate is 70 to 90 minutes. That is said to be the normal pulse rate. Important 1 mark question. 70 to 90 minutes. What is pulse? When the heart beats, the blood forced into the arteries. The expansion of artery every time the blood is forced into it. It is called a pulse. It can be felt by placing the fingertip on the artery near the wrist region. மணிக்கட்டில் வச்சு பார்த்தோம்னா நமக்கே தெரியும் ஹார்ட் பீட். நார்மல் பல்ஸ் ரேட் இஸ் 70 to 90 per minute. Dear students, after this we have seen what is heartbeat, complete contraction and relaxation of the atrium and ventricle is called heartbeat. The heart beats normally 70 to 75 times per minute. Then neurogenic heartbeat, which is located or initiated by a nerve impulse caused from a nerve ganglion located at the heart region in annelids and arthropods. Myogenic heartbeat is initiated by a special type of muscle known as heart muscle. Example, mollusca and vertebrate. Then initiation of an impulse by a node located near the opening of the superior vena cava in the right atrium, which is broader at the top and taper at the lower end, made up of thin fibers. This AV node acts as a pacemaker, which is initiating the impulse, can stimulate the heart muscles to contract. At that time, the impulse from the AV node spread as a wave of contraction over the right and left atrial wall, pushing the blood into the ventricles via atrioventricular valve. The wave contraction of the SA node reaches to the AV node, that is atrioventricular node, stimulated to emit an impulse of contraction spreading to the ventricular muscle through atrioventricular bundle and the Purkinje fibers. This is said to be initiation and conduction of heartbeat. Pulse means when the heart beat, the blood is forced into the arteries. The expansion of artery every time the blood forced into it is named as pulse. Normal pulse rate is 70 to 90 per minute. We can able to identify the pulse rate near the wrist region. This is said to be pulse. Now, we are going to see the cardiac cycle. The sequence of events occurring from the beginning to the completion of the one heartbeat is called a cardiac cycle. That means the complete heartbeat. It's said to be the cardiac cycle. How they are given here? The sequence of events. That is the systematic events occurring from the beginning to the completion of one heartbeat is known as cardiac cycle. Is an important 2-mark question. During cardiac cycle, blood flows through the chambers of the heart in a specific direction. That is in a particular direction. Each cardiac cycle taken place about 0.8 second. The events during a single cardiac cycle involves 3 important activities. One is atrial systole, ventricular systole, ventricular diastole. So, the sequence events occurring from beginning to the complete heartbeat is called cardiac cycle. It is taken place about 0.8 second. The 3 events are taken place between the 0.8 second. One is atrial systole. What is systole? Contraction process of a cardiac muscle is known as systole. Here, the auricles are contract. That is known as atrial systole. It will take place about 0.1 second. Then ventricular systole, that is contraction of ventricles. It will be taken place 0.3 second. Then ventricular diastole, relaxation of ventricles. It will be taken place 0.4 second. Totally, the cardiac cycle is taken place about 0.8 seconds. See the diagram which are showing the cardiac cycle. Atrial systole. What is that one? Contraction of atrium. Both the atrium, right and left atrium 0.1 second. Ventricular systole. Both left and right atrium contracted 0.3 seconds. Ventricular diastole. That means relaxation of both the ventricles in 0.4 second. So totally these cycles or stages are constitute one cardiac cycle. That's why they are given the definition. The sequence of events taken place from the beginning to the completion of heartbeat is known as cardiac cycle. So this is the diagram which are showing the cardiac cycle with the 3 activities. Involves atrial systole, ventricular systole and ventricular diastole. Dear students, up to this we have seen heartbeat and initiation and conduction of heartbeat, pulse, cardiac cycle. Then we are going to see the heart sound. When you touch the heart with your hand, we can able to feel it, certain sound which are producing, named as lub and tub. How the lub and tub which is produced in your heart is known as heart sound. So, the definition of the heart sound is the rhythmic closure and opening of the valves cause the sound of the heart. So, different valves which is present in the heart. These hearts are allowing the flow of blood with the closing and opening of their valves. That rhythmic closure and opening of the valves cause the sound of the heart. The first sound is lub, is of longer duration and is produced by the closure of tricuspid and bicuspid valves after the beginning of ventricular systole. So, at the beginning of the ventricular systole, that means what is it? Contraction of ventricles. How many seconds it is taken place? 0.3 second. It is a longer duration produced by the closure of tricuspid and bicuspid valves. Where is the tricuspid valve? The tricuspid valve located between the right atrium and right ventricle. Okay, another one, bicuspid valve, which is present in the left atrium and left ventricle. So, after the beginning of the ventricular systole or contraction, the closure of tricuspid and bicuspid valves are taken place, which produce the first sound known as lub. The lub sound is the longer duration. The second sound is dub. It is a shorter duration produced by the closure of semilunar valves at the end of the ventricular systole. அங்க பார்த்தீங்கன்னா after the beginning of the ventricular systole அப்படின்னு பார்த்தோம். Which sound is produced? Lub. After the beginning of the ventricular systole, ventricular contraction ஆரம்பிக்கும் போது closure ஆகுது. எந்தெந்த walls? Tricuspid and bicuspid wall. They are producing the first sound lub, which is longer duration. The second sound is tub, which is a shorter duration produced by the closure of semilunar valves. Where is the semilunar valves? One is located at the pulmonary artery, another one is located at the biggest artery named aorta. So these semilunar valves are closed at the end of the ventricular systole. அங்க beginning, இங்க பார்த்தீங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு ventricular systole. So this is the two sound which is produced in the heart named as heart sound. First sound is lub, the second sound is tub. First one is the longer and second one is the shorter. Dear students, up to this we have seen different mechanism of the heart, that is heartbeat, myogenic heartbeat and neurogenic heartbeat, initiation and conduction of heartbeat, bundle of His, that is atrioventricular bundle, was discovered by the scientist named His. This bundle is known as bundle of His. Pulse rate, what is pulse, what is cardiac cycle. The duration of cardiac cycle is 0.8 second. It is divided into 3 events: atrial systole, contraction of auricle, 0.1 second; ventricular systole, contraction of ventricle, 0.3 second; ventricular diastole, that is relaxation of ventricles, that is 0.4 second. Then what is heart sound? The rhythmic closure and opening of the valves cause the sound is known as heart sound. The first sound is lub, which is longer duration, by the closure of the bicuspid and tricuspid valve after the beginning of the ventricle systole, that is contraction. The second sound is tub, which is shorter duration, closure of semilunar valves present at the base of the pulmonary artery and the aorta at the end of the ventricle systole. This is said to be heart sound. Dear students, up to this we have seen different topic. Remaining we will see in the next video class. God bless you. All the best, children.